Alright, so I'm going to show how to disassemble an LG Aristo 3 Plus. So you can see here, the model number is LM-X220MB. Alright, so first what you want to do is remove the back cover. So to do that, you just go along the back. You can see there's a gap. I pried it already, but basically you get a pry tool or your fingernails and get in the back, and then you just go along and you pry along the edges. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so there we go. So once you do that, you can remove the battery. You can just pull it up from this little thing here. There you go. Alright, so we'll set that aside for now because that one I already did. So then you want to remove all the screws. You'll see all the silver screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you'll see all the holes where I removed them from. Alright, so to pry this out, the easiest way is you actually get your finger between your fingernail or pry tool between the glass and the frame here. So while you're pulling it, the easiest is from the two sides here first. So what you do is you get your fingernail there and then you push on this piece to push it through, and this will pop out. So these two will stay intact, and you'll actually want to pull the two sides and then go around the top. And then once you get the top edge out, it'll actually be also caught here. So you'll want to get between the edge of this. So if I show you the frame, it's like thin. So that's where you'll kind of like grab and you'll pop the clip out there as well. The bottom edge, you can't really unclip it because the ports and stuff will be in place. So once you get it up at an angle like this, you basically kind of just wiggle it and you can pop it out like that. So the SIM card's there. You can remove that just by popping it. And then there's the LCD connector here. So to get that out, use a pry tool or your fingernail and just get under the lip of it, and you just pull it up like this. Okay, just like that. And then here there's another connector, same thing. Just get your fingernail or pry tool and you just go under the lip and pull it up like that. Okay, and to remove the board, you would start towards actually the top of the phone. Wait. No, you would start towards the bottom of the phone. So as you can see, there's a little kind of a clip here, and then at the top there's also clips here. So the only things holding this board in place after you remove this piece are those two clips. So what you want to do with the bottom is you want to kind of like pull it out that way while lifting it up. So when you do that, and then I don't know if I can show this with one hand, but kind of pull on it. Can I turn on the... Okay. So you kind of pull on it and wiggle it. Let's see here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Oh, there you go. So basically you pull it out this way while kind of wiggling it and pulling it up, and it will come out like that. And then once you get that side out, then... Oh, it's not focusing. There you go. Then you can do the same with this side. You lift from the top here. See if I can get my fingernail under there. So you get your fingernail under the lip, and then I like to also use this little spring area, and you can pull it up, pull it this way while kind of like twisting it like at an angle, pulling the back up and kind of pushing this part down while you pull it out. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get this board out. And then same thing in reverse. To put it back, you just put the top side first at that angle to get it underneath those little clips. And then same thing with the bottom piece, you twist it at this angle a little bit. Don't twist too hard because you can crack the board, but that's how you remove that. And then, yeah, so if you bought a replacement phone or a cheap phone online, used one, same model, you can actually just swap it out. Just make sure the model number matches. Or you can buy like the glass, but then you have to transfer a lot of this stuff. So it's easier if you just get a used phone, unless you want like complete brand new screen, but you'll have to transfer these. So that's pretty much it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe because that'll help me. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. These are customer parts and computers and phones, so I won't have them on hand, but if I can, I'll answer your question when if I can. All right, thanks. Bye.